If you've ever been wondering how YouTube videos are made, well, you're on the right video. When I started a YouTube channel a few months ago, I literally had no idea about how to make a YouTube video, as well as how to edit any kind of video or photos. But well, it is long, it is a lot of work, but quite challenging. In fact, making a YouTube video is a whole specific and organized process. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my own YouTube videos. But before we start, please consider subscribing to the channel. I realized that more than 95% of the viewers weren't subscribed to the channel. So please consider to do so right now. It's free, takes less than a second, and it means a lot to me as I'm trying to grow my small channel. Thank you very much. Things said, we can start this video. Even though I started only a few months ago, I already learned so much about my way of making YouTube videos. And the main thing that I changed since I started is the fact that you can't and shouldn't do everything in a single row. To be honest, at the beginning I would always write, shoot and edit in the same day, which was huge work for me, and sometimes it was just more of a burden than anything else. So don't do the same mistakes. Since then, I then plan everything on different days, and everything starts by the concept of my video. It might seem hard sometimes to find new YouTube videos that will make views and that people would enjoy watching, but there's a lot of processes that allow you to find a great YouTube video idea. For myself, I usually watch some videos of very famous content creators that I admire, and I usually get some idea from them, which I will process in order to make them on my own. If you want to push things more deep, there are plenty of tools such as Google Trends to find YouTube trends, but I would say that the main point of this is to find a video idea that fits to your niche. Once I have my video idea, I usually start by writing down my script, which can take me from 3 hours to a whole day depending on how inspired I am. I have a full Notion workflow created for my YouTube videos, and let me tell you that having a very organized workflow is already doing 50% of the work. While writing down my script, I usually note down some shots idea that I already have, depending on what part of the script it belongs to. If I don't have any idea about the shots, then I will leave it blank and wait for the inspiration to come on the filming day. Depending on the type of video I want to make, I have two options. Either I will be filming face cam or I'll be filming B-roll and add a voiceover over the videos. In today's video, for example, I chose the second option, which is actually my favorite, since it looks more cinematic and gives a better experience for you guys while watching. If you agree with me, then consider subscribing to the channel. It would be very appreciated. Now let's keep going. To record my voiceover, I usually record through my phone in voice memo. I simply connect my phone to my mic thanks to a special TRS cable to match the connectivity, and simply read my script as smoothly and nicely as I can, which sometimes means reading the script 10 times before getting clean audio. I then transfer directly my audio on my editing app and start shooting my B-rolls. Shooting my B-rolls usually takes a lot of time. I get very picky when it deals with B-rolls, and could spend an hour for shooting only one B-roll until I get the light, motion and mood that I really want on this B-roll. Once I'm finally done with my B-rolls, I can then start the hard work of editing. I first take a step on Epidemic sounds, which is a sound bank where you can find plenty of music as well as sound effects for your videos. I spend a few minutes choosing the right music for my videos in order to make it even more relaxing while watching. When this is done, I transfer my footage and my background music to my editing app, LumaFusion. All my editing process takes place on my iPad Pro, simply because it is literally a technology beast that allows me to edit every single video very smoothly and easily, thanks to LumaFusion, since it is very intuitive to use. As funny and interesting as it may sound, I would say that the editing process for me is one of the quickest steps in my whole video making process. Maybe because I actually enjoy doing it, or because I acquired some cool skills in video editing. I don't know, but oh well, you got me right. And all of this, guys, end up in a video like this one that you're watching right now. And this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and like this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you very much. And this said, well, I'll meet you in the next video. Peace.